Good evening, everyone. It's June the 2nd, 2019. It is now 11:10 p.m. I've got a bunch of earthquakes that's got to go up, guys. With YouTube acting up, and sometimes I'm not able to publish, so I'm going to try this and see if it goes through. Hopefully, I don't need two pages to do this with, two videos. There was a 4.9 southeast Loyalty Islands, Fiji Island region at 37 miles in depth. A 4.7 off the shore of El Salvador that came in at 22.9 miles in depth. A 3.9 near the coast of southern Peru at 14.9 miles in depth. A 3.1 off the shore of Chile at 9.3 miles in depth. A 2.3 greater Los Angeles area, 3 miles north-northwest of Glen Avon at 2 miles in depth. A 3.3 Southern California, 3 miles north-northwest of Glen Avon at 2 miles in depth. A 3.0 Northern Alaska at 4 miles in depth. A 3.7 Northern Alaska at 10 miles in depth. A 3.4 Salta, Argentina at 142.9 miles in depth. A 3.6 Descentia Islands, Greece at 1.2 miles in depth. A 3.0 Greece at 1.2 miles in depth. A 3.3 Chile at 84.5 miles in depth. A 2.6 Southern California, 3 miles north-northwest of Glen Avon at 2 miles in depth. A 2.7 Southern California, 3 miles north-northwest of Glen Avon again at 2 miles in depth. A 4.6 Southern Sumatra, Indonesia that came in at 29 miles in depth. There was a 2.1 Southern California one more time, 2 miles north-northeast northwest of Glen Avon at 2 miles in depth. There was a 3.1 Cyprus region at 1.2 miles in depth. A 4.7 Tonga Islands, at 22 miles in depth. A 3.1 Iona Sea, Greece region at 1.2 miles in depth. A 3.5 off the shore of Chile at 26.0 miles in depth. A 3.4 Costa Rica at 18.0 miles in depth. A 4.1 Guerrero, Mexico at 17 miles in depth. A 4.5 off the shore of Malaccan Sea at 6.2 miles in depth. Guys, that's what I have for your evening report. I'm going to say good night, sweet dreams. Thank you so much for watching. God bless you and yours, and please be safe out there. You guys are totally awesome. 2 thumbs up.